Hi, I'm Thomas with T3. I'm going to attempt to get into some band work today. You know what I mean? For those who use these bands, or I use the 10-inch bands here when we train. So if you have any questions, hit me up or subscribe to any of my channels, Facebook, YouTube, or anyone, and we can keep it going. All right, real quick. We got 15 seconds getting this movement. The first move I'm going to do is called, I'm going to put these bands over here to the side. The first one I'm going to do is using the small band. It's called a fire hydrant. I'm going to get into the tabletop position. From here, I'm just going to open all the way up. I'm going to balance on that opposite leg, standing leg. I'm just going to open, close, open, open, close. My hands are stacked right underneath my wrist. My abs are tight. My knees are right behind my hands. Back to the other side. The shoulders are tight. I'm just going to open. I'm going to hold it open isometrically just to find out what's happening. Keep my navel tight, then drop back down again. The goal is just to extend away from your body and control the contraction coming in. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna let me hit this other side one time really quickly. Keeping that position, remaining powerful, recruiting all the muscles, practicing my balance at the same time, using my core. All the way up. Squeeze it up. 3, 2, 1. You can vary the tempo on these movements. You can go boom, 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 or you can go along with it. Okay? Okay, so the next move we're going to get into leg extensions. I'm going to extend my leg away from my body. And I'm just going to extend all the way up. This is break time right now, so I'm going to talk to you about it. So opposite hand or opposite knee is stable, and we'll go up. Once again, tabletop position. Just going to lift. I'm going to concentrate on keeping my abs tight. If you want to, you can go all the way over to the other side. Lift, back, boom, back, lift, back. Bring the band back. Switch legs. Streamline the other leg all the way back. Extend that knee, push it to the sky, and lift. Concentrating on feeling that movement through the glute, through your glute muscle, keeping your core tight up. You can vary, we can pulse with it, or again, back to the other side. Boom, those are 2 really effective movements. Or if you're really getting good with this movement, you can kind of hover your body over the ground, keep it in the same position, and just kind of open that hip up. Open that hip up. You can alternate, but try not to let your knees collapse on the inside. So just to get those hips warmed up, glutes warmed up, those are 2 really great movements or 3 really good movements that you can do. I'm gonna show one more, really simple. I'm gonna move over to my back. Keep that band here. I'm just gonna squeeze up, squeeze in my glutes, open that band at the top, close it. Squeeze up. Rest time. So if you didn't get that the first time, nice and tight, palms 45-degree angle from the body, squeeze my glutes up, open up at the top, using my adductors, close them, and then back down again. Squeeze. Okay, there you have it, guys. Those are my 5 minutes. Take 5. When we do training in the morning, this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be warming up with the glutes, with glutes and bands. Bow. Be mindful of your hands, your hand positioning, the power positioning of your hands, and all. Just to recap, just in all positions, make sure your hands, your fingers are spread powerfully, your navel is drawn into your spine, and you got the really powerful position. Remember, this is what we do before we start our session, before we start getting into squats and stuff like that. So if you got any questions, like I said, subscribe, YouTube, T3 Stay Ready, T3 Power Ready, or hit me up on Thomas E. Andrews on Instagram or my Facebook page, which is T3 Power Ready. Like, follow, subscribe, all that good stuff. But thank you. Have a really, really good day, and stay home and take care of yourself in this quarantine. If you got to go out, just take care of yourself, okay? All right, talk to you later.